I bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular DREO fans. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about them, 2 things you need to know before buying them, which one of these has an app, what is a good use case. You can't go wrong with either one of these fans, but based on what you're trying to do, there will definitely be one that is good for you. So I'll do an overview of each one of them, and then I'll go over the differences, because there are definitely some obviously differences, especially when you're looking for a fan, depending on what room you want to put it in, and I'll kind of go over that. So this one right over here is going to be the DREO air circulum fan, CF511. This one right over here is going to be the turbo poly fan, 565S. Let's take a quick look at this one right here, the CF511. So this is the CF511 right over here. I got a ribbon on top so you can kind of see exactly what's going on. There is a display screen right over here that goes off. So if you're sleeping, you don't have to worry about a display. About after a minute, it will go off. But if you want to, this is how you're going to adjust the speed right over here. So this is on speed 1 right now, and this is on normal mode. It also has an automatic mode, which if you hit that like little hamburger right over there, that goes to automatic. So in automatic mode, really, really cool. What happens on automatic mode is it feels, there's a sensor in here, and if the temperature goes down in the room, if you want, it will turn the speed of the fan down, because obviously it cooled it off and you don't really need the fan going that much. Have you ever been like, oh man, I'm so cold now, I want the fan to be down? You don't have to worry about putting it down yourself. It will automatically adjust, and vice versa. If the room gets really hot, it's going to bring the speed up again. You got 4 different speeds on this one. You adjust this manually. So this is on speed number 1 right over here. Speed number 2. We're going to go 3. And this is going to be 4. This could go up to 75 feet. It could hit up to 75 feet, which is a really, really long range for a fan that is a tabletop fan, or you could use it on a desk. You also have a timer button right here. You could set this to 8 hours if you wanted to do that. And this fan will also oscillate. You literally just hit this button, this little U right over here, and it's going to get the oscillation going for you, and you could stop it wherever you want. If you wanted it over there, and then you'll see right over here, it's going to come back, and it's just moving like that. Really, really nice. Let's get, so you have to double tap it sometimes, so we're going to just take that down to 1. So that is going to be the CF511 DREO. This one over here, we got the Turbo Poly 565S. I really like this thing right over here. Both of these do come in 3 modes. Just something to note, since they're both sitting next to each other, if I use one remote, it's going to control both fans. No big deal. One of the things you need to know, do not adjust this by hand. This is not meant to be adjusted by hand. It will go up and down automatically and left to right. This has a little handle on the back right over here. You can see right over here. So you can just hold this, move this around. So let's go over this. This one has 9 different speeds. We have a couple different modes on this one. This one, if you want it to go up and down, we have this right over here. You're just going to hit that, and it's going to start going up and down, and you could stop it wherever you like. I do like the fact that it goes up and down, and it also goes side to side if you wanted that. And you could use them together, and you'll see right here on the display, it shows you what is going on. So now it's going this way, and it's coming down, and you can just stop there wherever you want. I'm just going to stop it right over here. This is speed 1 on this one. Speed 2, speed 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this also has a turbo. So that's the highest it goes right over there. So just note that right over there. So you have the turbo mode right over there. This also has a timer as well, and this is the one with the app. So with the app, you could do a lot of different stuff with the app. So you'll see right here, it's showing you the temperature in the room. And so if you could also set a schedule. So the cool part about schedule, you hit that button, and if you want to go to bed at 9, you want your fan to come on at 8 so it cools it off, you can set that so you don't have to go upstairs. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to remember to go into the app and turn it on. And guess what? If you wanted to go to bed earlier, you could just open this up, and then you just hit right over here. And this is going to show you all the different options you have. You have standard, turbo, custom, you do normal. You could put that in auto mode. You have the natural mode, which kind of emulates a breeze. So it's going to be heavy, a little less, low. Heavy, a little less, like basically imagine your window is open. So really like that option as well. And then you could do a custom over here, and you could do whatever you want. This works with Alexa, Google Home, smart. These both would work with a smart plug, so you don't have to worry about that. The cords on these are about 5 feet each, which is great. So you have a long range. Now, some of the differences. I would say if you're looking for a fan with all the bells and whistles, the Turbo Poly 565S is going to be the one for you. You got the 9 different speeds. You also have you could have a remote. You could also control it with the app, and you could control it here. And it has that auto up and down feature for you, and it also goes side to side, and you could do it both at the same time. So we have this in our main bedroom. That's what we're using it for, because we like the schedule part as well. And if the schedule got messed up or something like that, or we don't want to be on a schedule, we could literally just be in the living room watching TV and be like, you know what, let's turn the fan on upstairs, get it going, and we don't have to worry about it. This one right here, we use in the second bedroom for the guests. You got 4 different speeds here. And then you have the oscillation side to side. Both of these do have timers. Both of these do have remotes. This comes with like a C battery. You just pull the tab out. Oops. And this one right here comes with 2 single A batteries or triple A. I don't know, whatever those batteries are. You don't have to worry about getting batteries. So that's really nice option about these. Again, you can't go wrong with either one of these. This one shoots air a little further, 85. This one is 75. Both cool the room really, really nice. I like the fact that it does not take up a ton of space. You could literally, this one sits on the nightstand next to my bed. In the guest room, this is on a dresser that faces a bed. So nice options there. And you don't have to worry about a big tower fan or a bigger oscillating fan either. This is 12 inches and this is 13 inches across. So 13 over there. Again, can't go wrong with either one of these. Like these a lot. If you want all the bells and whistles, can control from your phone, the 565S is going to be for you. If you don't really care about using your phone and just want to use a remote, this is going to be the one for you. I hope you found this video helpful and you stay cool. Give this a thumbs up and stay cool, and you can't go wrong with either one of these fans.